So today our topic is vision board. Yesterday we discussed about goal setting. Today our topic is vision board. I'll just share my. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So today is day 4 of our 30 days live design course. Right. And today, so vision. What is a vision board? Right. What is a vision board? So vision board is a, a collage of images and words representing a person's wishes or goals, intended to serve as inspiration or motivation. So yesterday we all set our goals, right? For example, you might have set your goal. Okay, any goal, like for example, if it is a car is there, or you can say any uh, business goal or career goal or health goal or wealth goal. So might be any goal you might have set yesterday. Right. So now, what is a vision board? Vision board is that now what you are doing is you are creating a collage of images, and you are just representing a person's wishes or goals. For example, your own, like you are creating your own vision board. You will create your own vision board, right? So you are creating a collage of all the images. Right. So as I told you yesterday, you want to buy a car. Your goal was you want to buy a car or you want to lose weight. So what you are doing is you are taking a printout, or you are uh, exact car you want. For example, BMW model. So that car, you take that image uh, out, and you then create a vision board, and you stick that image, because now that is intended to serve as an inspiration or motivation. So this is an example of a vision board, how it will look like, right? How it will look like. So this is a vision board example on how it will be looking like. So why we create a vision board? You would be thinking that already we set a goal. Now you are telling us that you have to create a vision board. So why we have to create a vision board? So see, it is very simple. Our brain understands images, like we, sometimes in our memory we tend to forget a lot of things. As I said, that our brain can forget a lot of things, but if you have that image in your mind, right? So you set a goal, but sometimes you do not have that image in your mind. But if you have that image and you put it in the vision board, for example, 2023 vision board, and so this is, for example, beach, or a house, or lose weight, gym, or a book, or, as I said earlier, any type of goal, right? So over here you can see, so all these type of goals: pay off debt, okay, cruise adventure. So all these type of goal images you have to put in the vision board, and this vision board I will discuss more about this. So why vision board? Because this images tends to remind you, whenever you see these images, it will remind you, it will our brain will not forget that we have to create a we have to create that we have a goal and now we have to achieve it. Sometimes when you write a goal, you do not have an image. So our brain remembers images a lot. Okay, so a brain has the power where it can remember the images. So vision board is very very important because sometimes you set a goal, but you might not, you might the goal might not be with you, or you might not be able to remember that goal. Okay, and because of sometimes because of anything, for example any function is there or anything is there, you might not be able to you might forget that written goal. So it is very very important that you also create a vision board. And in vision board you will have all the images of whatever goals you are. So you have to have a vision board of these type of goals, as I said you earlier, like health goal, wealth goal, relationship goal. You have the donation of or charity, you have the adventure, and you have the spiritual goal, right? So basically, six type of goals are there. Okay, so basically, six type of goals are there. So health goal, wealth goal, relationship. Okay, and all these type of goals you have to figure it out. You have to first. Yesterday, as I told you, goal setting. You have to write down your goals. So once your goals is ready, then you will be able to create a vision board. So first you have to set your goals. So it might be short term like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, right? So I will share you the recording. Watch the recording yesterday on how to set goals, and then you have to create a vision board regarding all these things. Now, where you can put your vision board? So you can put your vision board on your office table. So mostly you have to put vision board where you are able to uh, you can see, right? So you should not put vision board where you are like it is somewhere and you are not able to see that. You have to put vision board where you can see it at least 3 to 5 times a day, or at least 10 times a day. uh, you can see that vision board. So you have to put a vision board where you can see it a lot of time. It can be office table, right? It can be a bedroom. It can be dining room. It can be in your kitchen. For example, if you're a housewife, then it can be in the kitchen because you spend a lot of time in your kitchen. So you can put vision board in your kitchen also. You can put it, for example, you can put it in dining room also. You can put it in bedroom also, for example, right? So you can put in mobile or computer also. For example, you can put it in your mobile. You can put it in your computer. And you can also put it in your car also. For example, if you are traveling at least 1 hour to office and again 1 hour back, 2 to 3 hours goes in your car. So you can put in car also. So these are the places where you can put your vision board, right? So this vision board will remind you, it will create signals in your brain that that is a goal and there is a vision which you have to create. So how to create a vision board? Now this is a very very important thing, that how you can create a vision board. So you can create a vision board on Canva, right? On canva.com, you can create a vision board. And once the vision board is ready, then you need to take a printout and you have to put a printout copy in, as I said, in your office or bed, whatever it is, you have to put a printout hard copy. I will show you like in canva.com how you create a vision board. So what you have to do is I'll go to canva.com. So now over here, when you go to canva.com, so over here you can search. For example, you have to type it out. So this is an option you can see right over here. So over here you will type it out, vision board. Okay, so you will type it out, vision board, and then you will see this vision board photo collage, vision board template. Let me select with this option, vision board template. So now it will give me the templates, vision templates. So over here you can see it has given me these templates. Wealth, passion, love, health, family, career. You can just change it out if you want any uh, adventurous goals. You can put adventure also in spite of passion, or health goal, wealth goal, study goal, educational goal. You can also put like that way. Right. So see over here, these are certain. This is another example over here. So what I will do is I will select one template. Let me select this template. Hmm. So this will be your today's task, where you have to create a vision board. And I will share you this template so you can do the task and complete the task and share it in the group so that I can understand that you are doing the task. And also, I will give you some bonuses and gifts if you do the task, because I have a lot of resources. And so, if you do the task and you submit it, and I will know that right you are interested in learning. So this is the template. So now you just what you have to do is you have to put the images over here. For example, if it is a welt goal, then you have to put a welt image. Uh, okay, you can remove the progression. Progression is not required. I will remove the progression. So health welt is there over here. You will put the image of a welt. For example, we will put any like business career promotion image, or you are getting promotion. In health goal, you can put that you are gaining weight, so you can put pictures of the diet or the fruits, or you can put picture of the gym equipment. You can put picture of the weighing scale. In career, you can put picture of your passion or skill. For example, you want to become a lawyer, so you can put a lawyer image, like uh, right, you have that, you know, um, that hammer sort of thing, that small hammer. So you can put that image. For example, if you want to become a doctor, so you can put a stethoscope image. So in that way you can do. And as I said, in welt, if you want a car, so you can put that car image. So you have to put that images over here, and once you put the images, then you have to take the screen printout, and then you have to put that printout in your bedroom, or you can say um, as I told you earlier, right? All the places where you have to put your vision board. So this is how it looks like. You can, if you want, you can change the background color, and this way you can do. And I will, so everyone might be in Canva. So what I will do is, if you are not using Canva, kindly create an account on canva.com from your Gmail ID which you are given, right? So the Gmail ID which you had already given me on WhatsApp, kindly create an account on Canva. If you have not have an account on canva.com, please create an account on canva.com. I will put the link in your chat box over here. This is the website canva.com, right? So create an account from the same Gmail ID which you had shared me on the WhatsApp group. So what I will do is I will give you the access over here to public Gmail ID so that you can create your vision board. Okay. And what you have to do is I will tell you, see, don't create a vision board on the same page because uh, this design will be getting to everyone. I have account in Canva, great. So see, don't just create your vision board on the same page. What you do is you first duplicate. Over here you have this option, duplicate. Can you see this option? Duplicate. It is the second one. So select this option, duplicate. Now once you duplicate it, then you create the image on this duplicate section. Okay, and another thing you can do is that you add the page title over here, your name. For example, if let me say my name is Jafar, so I will just put my name over here so that no one can create a vision board on this page, right? So page 2, my name, and then over here this is my vision board. So I will use this vision board. I will stick the pictures and do all these things. And what you have to do again, as I told you, you have to select this option, duplicate. Select this option, duplicate, and then put your name over here, and then you have to stick the images. So this is how you have to do. Do not create a vision board on the same page because all of them, then there are 9 people. So you have to duplicate, put the name, and then use the vision. I will share you this vision board template to you in the WhatsApp group also. And so this will be your today's task. One more thing is that when you're creating a vision board, choose pictures that are clear and do not have things that you do not want. For example, if you are putting car photo, so do not put a photo of a dog or cat in the background. For example, it might be tiger or lion in the background, and then there is a car. So what will happen is that image will be there in your mind also. So you might also attract that image, right, which you do not want. Always make sure that your images are there which you want, right, which you want to attract. So you do not want to attract anything which you do not want. So I hope you are getting it. So if there is any cat is there, like beside anything is there, and you have put the picture of that, so what will happen is you might attract that. So the thing which you do not want, you might also attract that. So always take a picture, that cut down the picture, right, cut it down properly and put that picture exactly what it is, clear picture, what you want, and it should not have any other things in the background which you do not want, right? I hope it is clear to you. So today's task is you have to create a vision. So do you have any questions? So this is uh, the end of the session where I told you how you can create a vision board.
Yeah, we are clear how to create a vision board with the Canvas help and keep it. Once you check and confirm, then we can take a printout and keep it in our important places, or how it is.
Yeah, the place where you spend most of your time, Over there you have to put your vision board. See, like this. So you can buy it out in the market also. You go to any stationery shop and you buy a big A3 or A3 coloring uh, paper.
No, no, I have a blackboard and whiteboard. So I
Perfect,
most
perfect,
probably I'll take a printout and I'll stick with the magnet help in the same board itself.
perfect, perfect, perfect. Right. So if you have a blackboard, just put it vision board also. You can just put it
Yeah,
the
I'll do that.
text also,
Do that.
and the year also. So that is also very important because you have to put 2023 vision board, 2024 vision board. You have to put the date on. That is also important.
Yeah, definitely.
And the images. So images you have to crop and do not over here. I think somewhere the background is also there. So for example, if your image is payoff depth, so then you can just how you can put an image. So you can put this image over here. So what's here written? See, for example, over here our uh, vision is or our goal is to pay off debt. So then you can do something like this, pay off debt. You can just uh, so
Understood. Understood.
hmm, so this way you can cut down the goal properly and you can just stick it in your vision board. It can be in you can also put it in car also. For example, if you have something you want to achieve like lose weight, so you put it in your car and you can see that daily. So not always necessary that you have to put in a bedroom only or office table. Put it in kitchen also. For example, in the mirror, for example, you have the cupboard and you have a habit of seeing the mirror daily in the cupboard. Just an example. You put that vision board above your mirror in the cupboard, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Many people put vision board in the bathroom also. Yeah, yeah. So lot of people put vision board in the bathroom also because uh, so it depends on you where you want to put your vision board.
So Jafar, so you will create the vision board. We will be using the same template, right?
You can use different template also from Canva.com. But I will give you the
Oh,
template. Those people who like who can just use it, it will be easier for them.
okay.
So they can easily access it and just take the pictures, take the printout,
Mhm.
go to any. So they can just anyone who can go to any printout and just take a color printout, no black and white. Again, one more important thing: image should be color also, not black and white. Color image, clear image, no background only which you want. For example, you want a house in, let's say, Bangalore, and you are putting an image, background is of Kashmir, Manali. So now what will happen is you want you are staying in Bangalore. Let's say I'm staying in Pune. I want a, for example, flat over here. I will not. The background should not be of Kashmir or hill station. Then what will happen is that it will not be possible for you to attract or to achieve that vision. So as I am telling you again, color image, clear image, cut it out properly, put it, take a printout. If you that vision board, if you're using creating from Canva.com, take it out, the color printout, good quality printout. You can also design right over here. So they have designed the vision board. You can also do all these type of designs, make it creative. Because see, this is your. You will say that why am I putting so much effort? So this is your right. You goal. This is your life. So you have to put. And you example in school we did so much of hard work in our projects and all these things. But what happened eventually? Nothing, right? Out of 10, they give us 10, and then that project went into the dustbin. So no use. But this thing you will not put, we will not put in the dustbin. This thing will be there in a vision board even, and I have seen whatever I have learned from the mentors, they say that when you create a vision board, it will happen and it has achieved. So this will be the same thing. Like there are certain mentors and speakers, so it will happen. And the vision board. So if it is there, then even once it is achieved, so still your vision board will be there, so that it will remind you that see, I had created this vision board, and same image, same thing I had created, and it got achieved. So create a vision board, and I hope uh, this today's session was helpful to you. It provided you enough information, and if you have any other questions, yeah, let me know.
Yeah, Zafar, as I was looking to pay off of debt actually. So debt is a negative word. Should we put this word on the vision board? The
No,
meaning is okay that pay off
it is
debt.
not negative. See, it is
Instead of
negative. It will be negative when just put debt, but now you are putting pay off debt, right? You are putting pay off debt.
pay
So
off debt, yeah, I can get that.
yeah, so
Mhm.
now it is not negative. For example, let's say um,
If I
you
want to
can
be
say that
healthy and if
you
I
can
invest,
just you can type it out. So you put a good question. Your whatever your vision board, it should be positive. So instead of writing pay off debt, you can put it out financial freedom, or you can put it out
that is true.
abundant.
Yeah, that is.
Like that, you can put it out. So if you put that way, it will be uh, not that negativity will not come. So you can put positive. You have to put whatever you put in the goal setting. Also, it should be positive. Like it should not associate any negativity. It should be positive, right? So that is it for today. Um,